Hi, this is your favorite YouTuber! Anyways, it is Twisted Gamer and I'm going to play Cat Mario. That's right, I know. Anyways, here we go. So we're gonna go to level 1 because, you know, I'm starting off like a newbie. Rolling a fat ass doobie. That's a little laggy. Alright, let's do this. That's right. Okay, should I go down there? No, we're good. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Look at that fat ass ball. Oh, come on, you didn't even fucking touch me. You're just your fat son of a bitch. I'm already dying. This isn't cool. Dun, 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 dun. Mushroom! I don't trust it for some reason. That mushroom, I should just let it go. Let it go! Let it go, look at Mario! Oh my god, look at that! Did you see? I already have a fucking fat ass, damn. Oh, I already fell. So I fell. Okay, it's not nothing to be ashamed about. Okay, if a person falls, they fall. But I'm not gonna fall again because oh shit. See that? I'm already a god. I've already. Oh my lord. Oh god, this can't be that bad. This is disgusting. Get away. Get away. Yeah. Oh, I hate you. You suck a dick. Alrighty, so obviously that fucking laser's going to shit my brains out, you know. Oh no, I remember this, and I'm fucked. I'm not completely new to this fucking game, obviously. But I remember I couldn't get past the last part of this game, and I just, god damn it! The hatred that I'm already just starting to develop for this game. Wow, you almost had me, but you didn't. So denied. Oh god. It's the hatred I already am showing for this game. Come down. I'm going to jump on your back and I'm going to ride you into victory. No! Okay. We must outrun the chopper, yes. Go fuck yourself, you fat ass bitch. We're gonna go like this, we're gonna be bosses for it. I'm sorry, there's a little bit of disturbance outside of my house. I fell in a hole. Hey, this is a trash man. It's a trash man? That motherfucking trash man. You're messing up my videos, bitch. Get off my lawn. Sexy bitch. Oh, I almost fell back in the hole. But hey, hell. Oh, bitch. You're a bitch. You're a bitch. But, you know, no. Oh, no. Ooh, did you see the Yoki on the Isanaki? Yeah. No, get with me. Yeah, that's right. Look at them flexing. Look at them flexing muscles. I'm so sexy. I'm sexy and I know it. What? minutes ain't nothing but a G. Oh, okay, fuck that laser. Okay. Oh. Oh no. Son of a bitch. I forgot I gotta go back and get the fucking thing. Alright, we're gonna do this again, because I am just fucking up at the moment. Damn it! We're gonna do this again, because Mario's just gonna put that in a hole right there. You know, that's Mario. You fucking faggot. Well, I burped. Wasn't a very polite one as well. You know, I got that. Fuck. Don't flex at me, Cat Mario. You're just being a bitch. No one needs to see your fucking muscles going around, okay? It's not polite. No, you can't have my girl, okay? Stop flexing, Cat Mario. You're not touching her. I'm gonna touch her, alright. No, you're not. Fuck, I fell. Hey, I made it anyways. What do I do? I'm gonna circle some meatballs. Aha! You see that? I am a boss. No! It's a yellow part. Fuck yourself, Cat Mario. I made it past the late. I can't fucking ever make it past both things. I think the most I've made it past in this game, and I don't know about everybody, I don't know if they've ever made it like fully beaten this game, but I think I've gotten to the last part of this. You're just gonna eat my dick and kill me, aren't you? Hell, I've never had such deadly head in my life. Ah, get away from me, Cloud. You're evil. I don't like you anymore. Oh god, go! You're not sucking my dick to death this time. Alright. What? Oh yeah, that's right, because I am a dream. Come on, bro! You can make it! All you gotta do is believe in yourself. Whatever, as if that actually works. Anyways, you know, my mom says I can beat this level, and to be honest, I've always believed that she was right. There was always something, you know, about her that just made me not believe. But you know what? I think she was right. She just always told me to, like, believe in myself. So I believe in myself, because, you know, I like my mom, and I think that she was right. She wasn't fucking right, because I just fucking failed again. God damn it. Fuck off. You dirty slut. One more time. Okay, fuck it. Give me the fucking coins at least. I want to hit the lottery today. Oh my god. I'm just not cool with this, okay? Alright, we're gonna go this route right here. We're gonna go. Okay, we're gonna do it. Anyways.